So today we have the Love is Blind wedding cake delight, international delight coffee creamer. Now, I don't know if y'all heard or seen the show Love is Blind on Netflix, but it is a really good show. I do recommend you guys watching Love is Blind on Netflix. That is a great show. Like, I've seen that show 1,000 times because I rewatch it so much. So I think that's why I love this coffee creamer so much. And it actually does smell like a wedding cake. Like, it smells like a vanilla wedding cake, literally. And here's what I don't know if you could see it because it's white, but here's what it looks like on the inside. And this is just a miracle. Like, when I saw this, I said, I have to get this Love is Blind coffee creamer cake because I watched the show 1,000 times, so I automatically knew this is some great coffee creamer. This is some great coffee creamer. I already knew because when I read Love is Blind at the top, I already knew because I seen the show on Netflix. So I love how they have the packaging of the bottle, about how they had like the little wedding cakes at the bottom, and then the purple, and then the white. Like, the packaging is really beautiful. But this is a good coffee creamer to try if you haven't tried this already. It is only 35 calories, but I really do recommend you trying this. Like, I'm always looking for new coffee creamers. International Delight is always the brand that I get, but to know what flavor it is, you always need to check the top up here. So the International Delight is the brand, and then always make sure you look at the top up here because that's where the flavor is going to be. But just, just check it out and see what flavors that you really love, because like I said, I'm always trying different flavors from the brand International Delight. If you try this, please let me know what you think about it, because I have tried this and this is actually really good. Like, if you are a fan of like wedding cakes or just cake in general, then this is for you. But that is the International Delight Love is Blind wedding cake coffee creamer. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and leave your comments down below.